This is Uday Kotagiri, teacher in English. Welcome to today's session of Discourse. First of all, what is meant by discourse? A discourse is nothing but it is a method of communication between people in the form of writing or speaking. Usually, we use it to share many things with many people. But did you know that we cannot able to share all the things with our friends and relations? Then, what we have to do? Yes, here is a solution that to write the diary entry. How we have to write the diary? And what is the rules and regulations to be followed while we have to write the diary entry? Is this necessary to write the diary? Do all the people do this? Let us see all these answers in our today's session of diary entry, which is a minor discourse. Now, let us see regarding a diary entry, which is a minor discourse and very important for the classes of 8th, 9th and 10th. Usually in the method of CCE, in board examination, we will get in a question to write the diary entry of so and so person by narrating experiences of one person. For example, let us take write the diary entry of Abdul Kalam on the day when he was punished by his own teacher in the classroom. Okay, so for this, what we have to do? Every student, while writing the answer for this particular diary entry, first you have to keep in your mind that you need to follow a perfect layout. That means either you get able to use it in the form of a portrait or landscape. The paper has to be drawn which included in a box. Within the box, the first letter must be the diary entry of Abdul Kalam. It has to be capitalized. And then the next thing, what we have to do, we need to mention the date and day and also the time towards either left side or right side. And keep it in your mind that we used to write the diary in the night time itself, but you should not write in the afternoon session or morning session by keeping that 1:30 p.m. or by keeping that 9:30 a.m. Absolutely, you have to write the diary while you are going to the sleep or before the sleep. That means absolutely at 9 a.m. to in between 9:30 p.m. This is one of the greatest important point while we are noting the diary entry. And the next thing, the next line must be use a suitable salutation there to whom you are writing the diary. Definitely it is nothing but dear diary. So hence these are the 3 points what we have to use while we are writing the diary. First thing, keep the heading diary entry of so and so person. Then after towards the left hand side or right hand side, mention the day, date and also the time. Then use the salutation, dear diary, followed with a comma. Then start writing the body of the diary. The body of the diary must be started with how you felt on the day. For example, it is the bitterest experience for the Abdul Kalam that I felt very sad. That means always you have to start the diary entry by expressing your feelings, that whether you are happy or sad. Then organize all the events in the proper order that what you would like to share properly. And remember the thing that grammatical accuracy of your writings must be very important, and you should use conventions of writing. Conventions of writing is nothing but use proper punctuations, and then after do not forget the grammatical accuracy or using some of the false fake sentences formations or whatsoever, which will makes you to lose the marks. Because for diary entry, the body of the letter which will consist of 3 marks, that they will consider all these things. First, let me note that every diary body of the diary must be started with how you felt on that day. Then organize the events in the proper order with the proper punctuation marks and grammatical accuracies. Then after, while you are ending the diary, definitely you have to go on within a future action, that what it would be going to be the next day. For example, let us take in the case of Abdul Kalam, that so what will be the concluding line for the diary entry while he was writing the diary entry, that he will be seeing or he should be hope for the better for the next day. That means he has to write, I am going to see a good day tomorrow. And at the end of the diary, towards the right hand bottom, we have to write or we have to mention the signature of the person who is writing the diary. So hence this is how we need to write the diary entry. So hence by keeping all these points in your mind, so you have to write in a proper diary entry which will fetch you 5 marks. See, make a notes what we discussed, which consists of a set of rules while writing diary entry. They are centralized heading, date, day and time, and salutation dear diary, and sentences starting with how you felt, grammatical accuracies, cohesive voices, and signature of writer at the right bottom side of your layout which you have written in the examinations. So this slide will be the final output that how our diary will looks like with all proper included guidelines. So friends, at the end I hope so you understood very well. So keep practicing all the time to score good marks. Thank you for watching. Bye.